roof is our MR24. We're Butler Manufacturing, and like our products, we've outlasted the competition. We supply more than just building materials. Innovation, quality, and reliability are at the core of all of our products, protecting our reputation and yours. The MR24 is the most specified standing seam roof in the industry for one simple reason. It's the best. Field-formed and weather-tight, the secret of its success can be illustrated by the Butler difference. As you decide where your money goes, keep in mind that the roof protects 90% of your investment every day. So when you look at your options, remember the MR24 is the only standing seam roof on the market with a field-formed 180-degree seam that completes the 360-degree Pittsburgh double lock seam. Many manufacturers claim to offer comparable building products, but there are many areas where our competition falls short of the mark. Let's take a closer look at the Varco Pruden SSR roof. Starting with when the panels arrive on the job site, the SSR panels do not nest properly during shipment and can cause several problems. As you can see, the panels in the bottom of a crate often spread up to 1 inch, causing alignment problems and fan-shaped panels, requiring special flashing pieces that are never reliable. End result? Endless problems and expenses before you've even begun your project. The SSR panel claims to have the ultra-reliable 360-degree Pittsburgh double lock seam that is used on automotive gas tanks, oil storage drums, and beverage cans. Since the SSR panels are only crimped a maximum of 40 degrees in the field, they cannot compare to Butler's MR24 panel seam. Utilizing 2 tons of pressure, the Butler Roof Runner field forms the MR24 panel seam 180 degrees, completing a true 360-degree Pittsburgh double lock seam. Standing seam roof panels are attached to the structural system by the roof clip. These clips need to allow the roof to expand and contract with temperature changes and must be designed to provide positive attachment. As we saw earlier, the Varco Pruden panel alignment is compromised even during shipment. The SSR panel system and structural system is not factory punched, leaving the field erection crew the tricky responsibility of holding panel modularity and maintaining alignment. Risky business for even the most skilled crew. Without the advantage of factory punching, Varco Pruden must use a minimum of 2 small self-drilling screws to attach their clip to the purlins to achieve a UL Class 90 uplift rating. The SSR roof clip is designed to allow for only 2 inches of thermal movement. Due to their clip design, the movable galvanized tab has a tendency to bind or lock up. This causes extreme stress and eventual damage to the clip or the panel itself. The MR24 features a patented self-aligning clip. This Butler innovation is designed to handle roof movement on double-slope buildings up to 500 feet wide without an expansion joint and utilizes a single screw bolt for structural attachment. The exclusive triangular-shaped bar design is cadmium-plated and allows free movement of the heavyweight stainless steel connecting tabs. These tabs provide superior corrosion protection and are seamed directly into the panels. They slide along the triangular bar, easily adapting to thermal movement. As the roof expands and contracts, the plastic centering sleeves break away easily, allowing for a full 2.5 inches of movement. The MR24 clips are installed on factory-punched holes in the structural system. Factory punching also permits the use of the Butler screw bolt, a strong, high-quality fastener that is unique to Butler. This larger diameter fastener has twice the pull-out strength of common self-drilling screws and allows Butler to meet UL Class 90 wind uplift requirements with only 1 fastener. This Butler exclusive guarantees precise panel alignment and superior weather tightness. Proper panel alignment determines roof performance. Poorly aligned roofs never fit together well at splices, closures, trim, and flashings. This ultimately results in leaks and a significant rise in maintenance and operating costs. Panel configuration should include stiffening ribs that run across the panel flat in order to strengthen it for roof traffic, resistance to wind uplift, and unrestricted flow of roof drainage. The MR24 panels deliver peak performance in all three of these areas. The SSR design does not have any stiffening ribs or corrugations in the panel flat. Actual field surveys have revealed that in panels without any stiffening ribs or corrugations, performance is compromised when subjected to roof traffic or wind uplift and can have objectionable appearance issues due to oil canning. MR24 panel end splices are joined together with a unique two-piece clamped connection, utilizing a heavy-gauge aluminum panel strap and splice plate. This plate is outfitted with 4 factory-welded stainless steel studs at the end lap, providing a positive seal at this critical juncture. Panel ends are factory punched and notched for the precise Butler fit and allows the panel end splice to be located directly over a supporting structural member. This exclusive design provides support from roof traffic and other heavy loads such as snow and ice. Unsupported by a roof structural member, the SSR's end splice design deflects under normal loads and strains the connection. It is also more susceptible to ponding water and roof leaks due to roof traffic. This lack of support is due to inferior splice connections made with self-drilling screws. This panel end lap design relies almost totally on sealant to maintain weather tightness and requires continual maintenance. If a roof system is going to accommodate thermal movement and maintain its weather tightness, then vital details such as trims, flashings, and the ridge must also be designed to withstand the forces of expansion and contraction. The whole purpose of a standing seam roof is to eliminate through panel fasteners. With the SSR system, the gable trim is attached directly to the panel flat with self-drilling screws. As in all other areas where these screws are utilized, any roof movement can elongate fastener holes and cause leaks. Butler allows for expansion and contraction by seaming the gable trim directly to the roof panel. The entire assembly can move with temperature change. Factory punching on the ridge design gives the MR24 roof system an accurate, positive fit. The ridge is a critical component in all standing seam roof systems. All of the fasteners used to attach the components of the ridge to the roof fall underneath the completed ridge assembly. The only exposed fastener is the exclusive Butler lock rivet. This eliminates the possibility of over-tightening and stripping, which is common to self-drilling fasteners. Obviously, the SSR ridge is attached with many exposed self-drilling screws and has very limited expansion and contraction capability. It's a very inexpensive way to achieve a ridge flashing, but also introduces the possibility that the ridge panel will not fit properly. Hardly a worthwhile investment. Most manufacturers offer optional material and weather tightness warranties, but the real difference lies in the amount of protection you get for the money. Butler offers an optional 25-year weather tightness warranty at a cost of 7 cents a square foot. This price provides 70 cents per square foot of coverage and is a non-prorated warranty for a 25-year warranty period. Varco Pruden also offers an optional weather tightness warranty. However, the cost of their warranty and limit of liability varies from project to project. Without contest, Butler gives you the most for your money. The Butler Research Center is dedicated to both new product testing and to vendor quality assurance. It is the only research and testing facility of its kind in the industry and continually conducts tests on all materials used in our building systems. Since 1969, the success of Butler's MR24 roof system has been tested in accordance with the most demanding, industry-recognized specifications. It will conform to the wind loading requirements of all building codes, such as ANSI, MBMA, UBC, BOCA, SBC, IBC, and is approved by the Factory Mutual Research Corporation as a Class 1 roof system. It enjoys unique distinction as the only roof on the market to have outlived its 25-year material and weather tightness warranties. Further evidence of the MR24 roof system's excellence in performance was its selection by the Hurricane Test Laboratory's new headquarters in Riviera Beach, Florida. Butler has many contenders, but there is no real contest. That's why thousands of repeat buyers want Butler Manufacturing in their corner. For innovation, quality, and reliability, remember the Butler difference.